With a vision to preserve, uplift and aware the importance of traditional and cultural knowledge among the youths, an organization known as Karbi Locharli Jutang Aterang KLJA was founded in the year 2016. Right after the formation of the organization, since then, KLJA had been organizing all Karbi Anglong inter-college cultural competition annually. Likewise, this time around, KLJA is all set again to organize the 6th edition of inter-college cultural competition. This was announced during the press meet conducted at the office premises of Karbi Cultural Society, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso on Friday. Singjat Tiso, president of KLJA, while addressing his speech, announced that a 6th edition of inter-college cultural competition would kick off from 16 December at Hempu Mokrang Playground, Karbi People's Hall, Taralangso.
Logo Charlie, tum tami jutang jubat nang jiting ni deda neng, elam ki jiting ni deda neng, inding sumpo jiting ni deda neng kusi. Itu mamahang patreksi. First or Karbi Anglong inter-college Karbi cultural competition, pangchenglo difu josing duloyelo. Apan bang bom pen dong kam tame indeng ke thom or Karbi Anglong inter-college bijam lo son dak thak long jeng college dong ka chingtu dak tame 5th or Karbi Anglong inter-college bilo peneng bangke tak Taralangso long si 6th or Karbi Anglong inter-college pamanpur.
The competition would take place for 3 days. They are from 16th of December to 18th of December. TISO also requests the Students' Union of all the respective college to coordinate and gear up for the competition.
So warong ache hut nang kalang dun pendang lok kadto gabe bang pubang fituman tame tumay hinben kusmin ligalan nang kalang dun hong klamolong kang krang krede ji pansini tumay may pasini lo tapende may thang pinteng sumpot pen chingthang pen bang so or Karbi Anglong inter-college Karbi cultural competition rong ache nang kalang dun ji pansi Central Committee in Tuning.
Singjat Tiso appealed the citizens for their cooperation and coordination during the course of the competition. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.